thing we can agree on is that that's a heck of a cake.
Hopefully we can agree on more than that.
William and Kate would have liked that cake.
Yeah.
The other thing that I think we can agree on is that it shouldn't be so hard to get things done in the government. And I don't think anybody is happy with how long it takes, but it is hard work. It does take a lot of effort, and I think the reason this issue is where it is right now, and I'm going to assure you that we're committed to action on this issue, but it's because of work that a lot of people have done for a lot of years, including the people in this community who came to Congress and worked with leaders in Congress, Congressman Lowy. It takes work, and so a law gets passed, and then it takes work to implement the law. And we have been working, and I know it's laborious and it's frustrating, and it's, again, as I say, it's harder and slower than it should be. One thing I want to assure you from an FDA standpoint is that we absolutely understand why you're here and why this issue is so important. It's easy to say it's a big public health issue, and it is, but that's an abstraction. It's an individual issue, it's a very personal issue, it's a family issue. With people every day having to manage diets to deal with this condition, and we appreciate that, know that. And the work that we're doing is being done by people who get that, who work scientifically, who are labeling experts, and there's a great concern about getting it right. And if we're going to issue a regulation, be sure that it's as well-grounded as it can possibly be in science, and that it's as protective as it can be. And that's the reason why FDA has taken the time to do the safety evaluation, analysis of all the evidence that relates to possible levels at which gluten can cause problems. We wanted that safety evaluation. And we wanted then to be the basis for considering what's the right answer for people. And we proposed 20 parts per million. That's absolutely very much on the table. We want some comments on whether the safety evaluation would suggest any change, and we're going to tee up some questions for comment. It's not to delay, I promise you. It's to get it as right as we can for patients. And one message I've gotten loud and clear is that folks want a decision. And so we're not going to let the perfect be the enemy of the good. But we want to take some further input from you and from experts. I know Dr. Fasano and the community will provide comments when in a few weeks we'll put this out and pose some very specific questions. So help us with that process. Be very substantive and make your comments and tell us what you want and why. And that's very germane to us, and so we will take that extremely seriously. So, all I wanted to do by coming down really was to be sure I'd heard directly from folks who cared enough to make a heck of a cake. And I know just deeply personally affected by the issue, and I just want you to know that FDA is very committed to action on this. I've been dishing out my cards. So people know where to find me, and they know where to find my colleagues. Sharon Dayton Booth sits next door to me, and we'll stay very connected with this, as will I. And so we feel accountable. I also know that Congresswoman Lowy keeps a close eye on us as we do our work, so I expect her to hold us accountable as well. And that's totally fair. So again, I'm just delighted to be here and appreciate the chance to chat with folks. We'll get it done.
Thank you.